Hi, I'm Bernard Jeske from the Progressive Ag Foundation, sponsoring the Progressive Ag Safety Days. Today we're going to be visiting with Dan Neenan from the National Education Center for Ag Safety about grain safety.
Hi, I'm Dan Neenan from the National Education Center for Agricultural Safety. We do safety and health programming for farmers and ranchers, for agribusiness, and agricultural rescue training for rural volunteer fire departments. Hi, this is Dave Kuther, and what we're simulating today is somebody being entrapped in grain. So we've got Dave hooked up here in a harness, he's tied off, and we've got him in the grain. So in today's exercise, we'll be sinking Dave down into the grain to his waist till he becomes entrapped. At that point, we'll be building a cofferdam around him and vacuuming the grain out to unstick him from being inside the grain. Alrighty, what you see here is the start of building a cofferdam around Dave. So he's trapped in the grain. What we'll be doing is building this cofferdam around him, which will completely encircle him. Then we'll use a standard shop vac and we'll vacuum the grain out from around his legs where he's trapped until he's free. There's stairs on the inside of the tube. He'll be able to stand on those stairs. We'll take the first panel out and he'll be able to walk out. So to safely enter the grain, you can see here that Dave is wearing a body harness and he's tied off up to the upper portion of the bin. So if there would be a problem that, say, underneath of him there'd be a cavity in the grain, he would be kept up from being engulfed inside the grain. So it's a safety feature. So we, of course, never want to be inside of a grain bin when the auger's running. We want to lock that out, tag it out. We want to be careful, make sure that we're wearing our harness and that we have somebody else that's watching us from not inside the bin. So if we become entrapped, they can dial 911 and get help on the way.